Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath. As you exhale, allow your body to relax completely. Release any tensions and pressures, helping you to unwind. We will begin by directing your attention to different parts of your body. Relax your scalp. Relax your forehead. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Relax your face, jaw, and tongue. Relax your neck and throat. Relax your shoulders, arms, and hands. Relax your back and spine. Continue to breathe slowly, deeply, and rhythmically as you relax your chest, both externally and internally. Relax your abdominal area, both externally and internally. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. Relax your any lingering pressure or tension. Let it go. You are now at a deeper, healthier level of the mind, deeper than before. Take another deep breath. As you exhale, focus on a serene and tranquil scene. Choose a place that makes you feel calm and peaceful. Imagine it now. Take another deep breath and connect with your inner self. Acknowledge the calm and peaceful qualities within you. You are now at a deeper, healthier level of the mind, deeper than before. It is a wonderful feeling to be deeply relaxed. This is a healthy state of being. Now, focus on what you desire. Is it related to good health, weight loss, or reverse diabetes? Imagine what it will look like when you have achieved this goal. Picture yourself in that state. Are you happy? Who are you with? What are you doing? When is this happening? Where are you? Pretend that you can see all the important details of this scenario. Notice what you are wearing and any significant elements. Allow yourself to imagine that everything is perfect in this scenario. You have achieved your goal, and it is a reality. While you may have received help along the way, you are the one who made it happen. From this place of achievement, look back into the past and notice the key factors that help you get to where you are now. What is it that you love that is now part of your life? What is no longer part of your life? Make any adjustments needed to create an environment congruent with the reality you are envisioning. Now, while maintaining your calm state, open your eyes.